Hi everyone, AK here. In this video series or training, I'm gonna share with you for each episode or each video a different sales or technique or tactic to improve sales and conversion. So we're gonna talk about sales and conversion hacks. So today hack is on the checkout page that you're having for your program. Sometimes some tools allows you to add a coupon box. There is mixed opinions about that, like to hide this coupon code or not to hide it. So one of the strategies is it's better to hide the coupon code. So when people land on your checkout page, when they see this box, they don't go online and they don't just leave and go online to look for the coupon code and maybe then they cool down after some days and they lose interest or they forget to join. So I suggest that you remove the coupon code regardless what the tool that you're using. I use a tool called Thrive Card. It's amazing, and I'll show you an example here how to remove it in this tool. So if I just choose this and then I preview, so as you see, this sales page now without coupon code. And actually what's interesting about this tool is you can actually, instead of having a box for the coupon, you can build a specific link for that checkout page that applies the discount without a coupon code. So basically you can use a special link that immediately apply the discount that you want to apply on your pricing, regardless of how much is the discount. So you can use basically that link in your emails or in your promotions, or when someone abandon your cart, or like for different situations. So this is the hack for today that can help you boost your conversion and sales. Thank you so much and see you soon with another video. Hey there, AK here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like full access to the complete step-by-step how-to video series, plus access to a one-on-one coaching with me to help you build and scale your business to the next level with less time, effort, and cost, please join the Efficientpreneur Club at efficientpreneurclub.com. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or share your comments below, and see you soon with another video.